So hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how can you create the phone screen for Android apps just for free and easily. So for that you have to go to the browser and open a new tab and then go to thunkable.com. Thunkable.com is such a site where you can drag and drop, and with little kind of coding thing you can simply generate your app and test it live from a mobile phone using the Thunkable app present on Play Store and also on App Store. So just simply sign in and click on this Android icon. So after clicking there, it will ask to log in. Simply log in with your Google account. So I have just logged in with my Google account and it is just signing in. So I have to select my account. Select the first one. Let me get into it. So as you can see guys, Thunkable has been open. So this is my third time making this video. So here you can see icon name create a new app. Just click here and it will ask you for the app name. So you can write anything you want. So just open this by simply left click on it. After that you will get such a screen. So yeah, this will be your home screen, but you need to make second screen also. Just click on add screen and okay. So this is the front screen or the loading screen that you are gonna make in this first video about app development. So what you have to do is just go down, just scroll it down and just click here, title visible, just make it invisible. Okay, so after that you have to add a logo here. So simply move it up and as you can see background image, just select one background image. So I'll simply choose any one of it. I haven't made it specifiedly, so I'll simply choose this one. Okay, it will be automatically fixed. So as you can see here, it is automatically fixed. So after that you need to keep timer for the loading period. So for that just scroll down and go to sensors and drag and drop this clock to here. So as you can see the time interval over here, this will be in milliseconds, so keep that in mind. I'll just keep 15,000 here milliseconds. And after that screen 2 you have designed as a login screen, and screen 1 you have designed as the screen that you obtain after the loading is complete. So let me go to the blocks here. After moving to the blocks, what you have to do is just click on this clock icon here, and after clicking on clock icon just select the first option, when do clock timer 1. So drop it anywhere. After that what you have to do is just again click on clock and scroll down. So after that you have to select this option here and drop it inside the first one. And after that here you should put false. So go to logic and select false and just connect it with here. So after that go to control and then simply down, go down, and this option should be selected and kept inside the main or the first option you have selected. And it says that after the clock intervals time is ended, what you have to do, you have to open on the screen and you have to add name there. So select the text option here and simply move up and the null value to paste here. And what's the name of the screen you want to obtain after loading screen? So name of the screen is, I think it's screen 1. So do not make the spelling mistake here. I just simply made a spelling mistake, so you should not make any spelling mistake. You should make what is it is in the screen. So you can write anything, and for trying it works or not, you can simply go here to test and download an app on your device about Thunkable. The link will be in description, or you can simply check it on Play Store, and simply you can scan the QR code using your app and try it yourself on your mobile phone directly. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I'll be back with new video soon. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.